We'll guide you through how to use a Wix discount code effectively to save on your next purchase. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account dashboard where you'll find all your site management options. If you haven't already added a premium plan to your site, go ahead and select the site you want to upgrade. Click on Upgrade to view the available premium plans. You'll see a selection of plans suited to different needs, so choose the plan that best fits your requirements. Now, here's where the magic happens. After selecting your preferred plan, you'll be taken to the checkout page. Look closely, and you'll find a section labeled Have a Promo Code. Click on it to expand the field where you can enter your discount code. Carefully type or paste your code into this field. Make sure there are no spaces before or after the code, as this can sometimes cause the code to be invalid. Once you've entered the code, click on Apply. If the code is valid, you should see the discount reflected in the total price. Double-check the new total to ensure the discount has been applied correctly. Then you can proceed with the payment by choosing your preferred payment method and completing the checkout process. Keep in mind that discount codes may have expiration dates or specific terms, so always check the details when you get a new code. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy your Wix Premium plan at a discounted rate. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.